How to fix eBay app not opening. To fix an eBay app that isn't loading, you could start by updating the app. What you need is open up your respective app store and you want to type in eBay. Make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Next, if the app is updated and still having an issue, you want to go to settings on your device, locate network and internet. Here you could go and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That can also help you out. Next, while you're in the same section, you want to go to app, locate eBay from the list and make sure to clear cache and storage. That can also help in some cases. However, if the issue still persists on, you just want to make sure to close all the background running app on your device, and then you want to make sure to hold on to your side button and restart your device. That can also be able to help you out. If nothing works out, you could also check the compatibility as well. And if nothing works out, you could also reinstall your eBay app and try seeing whether the issue will be fixed. So this way, you're supposed to fix the eBay app not loading. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.